You're out and about trying to get that perfect shot on your phone when you realize your battery is running out of juice. Low battery anxiety kicks in. What do? Introducing Harbor, the solar power battery that you can count on anytime, anywhere. Harbor's wireless charging and ultra-portable design make it the best companion for any outdoor activity. Harbor packs a whopping 30,000 milliamp hours, giving it more power than most other power banks. You can fully charge your phone 7 times with just one charge. No more battling over who gets to charge their device first. With the 10-watt wireless charging pad, 18-watt Type-C PD output, and 4 USB fast charging outputs, you can charge 6 devices at the same time at lightning speed. Harbor sets itself apart with its built-in solar charger, allowing you to charge in the sun even without direct sunlight. A few hours of sunshine gives Harbor enough power to charge your iPhone for a week. When the sun goes down, you can keep on exploring. Harbor comes with 3 light modes, including a 900 lumens LED light that can last up to 30 hours with one charge. The SOS flash mode can be used for emergencies, working at 3 different flashing speeds to help you get back on the right track. The best part about Harbor is that it's splash-proof, dust-proof, and always ready for any adventure, no matter how harsh the environment. Harbor isn't just a battery, it's a reliable, everyday power essential that lets you live a truly mobile life. Get your Harbor today and get ready to power your adventures.
Mobile technology changed the way you interact with your world. For the first time in history, you can communicate from anywhere, explore the unreachable, and earn your living outside of the office. At Evolution Wear, we want to maximize this potential by giving you unlimited access to power generated by the sun and stored conveniently in your pocket. Our last Kickstarter, the Rapid Sol Gen 1, brought you the verified fastest and most reliable solar charger in the world. Now your Rapid Sol Gen 2 takes this vision to new heights, with all the same speed and convenience in a device that you can carry in your pocket, purse, or backpack. We want to show everyone that solar is faster and more efficient than old technology. So we made sure that your Rapid Sol will charge your devices faster than most wall adapters. And the onboard lithium polymer battery will conveniently store that power so you can save the energy for later. We are serious about our mission, so we made sure your Rapid Sols are 3 times faster than the nearest competition. Think of the potential to stay out longer for that perfect shot, or explore farther knowing you are only a call away from home. Think of what it would be like if you could do all of your office work from the beach. We are working tirelessly to maximize that potential. Our last campaign had a 100% fill rate, and we already finished production on the Gen 2. So we are guaranteeing fast delivery on our first 2,000 units. Your Gen 2 will charge all iOS and Android devices with a USB or USB-C connector, all mobile phones, and any 14-watt laptop computer. Your Rapid Sol also charges drones like the DJI Spark, action cameras like GoPros, and even DSLRs like the Sony A7s. And that's only some of the list. Think of all the other devices like USB fans at a festival, or your Nintendo Switch, and many more. The Rapid Sol Gen 2 is just the beginning. More than 1 billion people live without electricity. With your help, we can expand our offerings and create mobile power solutions for everyone on Earth. This is a lifelong commitment that starts by ensuring the quality and performance of all of our devices. We sincerely thank you for your support. Let's see how far we can push our horizons.
The only thing certain in life is uncertainty. So, what should you do? Waiting forever for the power to come back on? No problem, we've got you covered. Prepare yourself for unexpected emergencies. Stay connected and safe during unforeseen circumstances. Living off-grid with AC200 enables you to power computers, phones, refrigerators, and more, producing 2,000 watts of continuous power with a huge 1,700 watt-hour capacity. Capable of powering a wide range of devices and appliances with multiple port options, allowing you to power up to 17 devices simultaneously. Keep your food fresh and cool during prolonged power outages. BLUETTI AC200 is a cleaner and quieter generator than fossil-fueled alternatives. Be ready for any kind of power outage or emergency. With 5 different ways to recharge your AC200. Efficient solar charging combined with the built-in MPPT controller is fantastic for outdoor activities. Be fully charged in just 3.5 hours by connecting a 700-watt solar panel. Utilizing LG premium electric vehicle-grade battery cells and an advanced battery management system to protect against overcharging, overcurrent, short-circuiting, and overheated. Your safety is paramount while using the AC200. The built-in touch display allows you to fine-tune your power requirements. Perfect for camping, travel, or anywhere that power is required. Be the life of the party at the barbecue or tailgate gathering. Oops, low battery. Relax, you have BLUETTI Power Station. The AC200 works as an emergency backup for electric vehicles, delivering up to 11 extra miles on a single charge. The AC200 will automatically power down when the output is lower than 50 watts for 4 hours. The 2,000-watt output across multiple outlets gives you more access to blenders, pellet smokers, ice shavers, radios, and even projectors. No need for noisy gas-powered generators. Power outages can be disastrous for families who rely on medical devices such as CPAP machines or medical fridge. Keep quiet throughout the night with a temperature-activated cooling fan, remaining silent up to 45 degrees, allowing you to enjoy a quiet and peaceful night's sleep.
Helio is an ultra-efficient source of light and power. It's a solar lamp and a power bank based on 2 simple ideas. It's really useful on adventures, but for the people who need it most, they can use it every day. At Makers for Good, we believe that everyone should have access to safe light and power, so 100% of our profits go to providing it for people with limited access to electricity. There are 1 billion people worldwide who burn candles, kerosene, or wood for heat and light. These fuels are expensive, dangerous, unhealthy, and make it almost impossible for children to study and achieve their full potential. We can use the sun's power to bring light and power to homes without reliable energy sources. Solar power is less costly than combustible fuels. It's more healthy, it's safer, and it improves educational outcomes. Our non-profit partners provide solar light and energy through a variety of solar solutions to those in need. These non-profit partners, together with you and Helio, can help bring safe light and power right where it's needed most.
This is Lion Cooler, the first smart-controlled portable solar fridge freezer. Lion Cooler keeps food and beverages icy cold, just like the fridge in your home. All the space inside is available because you don't need ice. Lion Cooler is perfect for your outdoor life or as a backup in emergencies. Lion Cooler can chill to -4 degrees Fahrenheit and is equipped with a quality LG compressor to give you performance and confidence. It works like your home refrigerator, but on the go. No heavy lifting with Lion Cooler, which is easy to move around with the telescopic luggage-style handle and large 6-inch wheels. Lion Cooler gives you portable power on the go. The easily removable snap-in lithium-ion battery gives you up to 10 hours of use before it needs recharging. It's just like using a power tool or cell phone that has a built-in battery that needs recharging after use. Recharging the lithium-ion battery inside your Lion Cooler only takes around 4 to 6 hours. We supply 3 connectors, which allow you to recharge the battery with AC, or in the car using 12-volt DC. Or you can be completely self-sufficient and use solar panels for an endless source of power. The battery only runs down when you use Lion Cooler in portable mode. If you are connected to a power source, the battery will stay charged even if you are using it. Lion Cooler is perfect for all your leisure pursuits, including trips by car, by RV, on boats, while fishing, camping, or tailgating. Lion Cooler is also ideal for backyard parties and while watching school sports events. Lion Cooler is available in 3 sizes to suit your needs and style. Lion Cooler's development team spent 3 years carefully designing and testing at their head office in Los Angeles. Leading the team was founder Jeffrey Tang, who is a PhD engineer with more than 20 years' experience in electronics and solar-powered solutions. After dozens of improvements and prototypes, we are delighted to bring Lion Cooler to the market for delivery in 2019. We hope you enjoy Lion Cooler, a new way to stay cool on the go.